It's not focusing. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. It's Ashawnya, and I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to a nail appointment because my nails are due for a refill. So I decided I'm gonna take you with me. Then later I'm gonna go sell my snow cones, and then I'm gonna go and exercise because Carnival is coming up. If you have not seen my Carnival vlog, it's called the Kadooment vlog. I will suggest it over here for you, or over there, wherever. I think it's gonna be over here. So you can go. So you can go ahead and watch that. My keys dropped. Anyway, I'm gonna show you when I get to the bus stop or when I get to the nail place. I'm not sure, depending on if the bus is there or not. So stay tuned. Love Wanna. And Wanna mean you all in Barbados. Okay guys, so I have made it to the bus stop. Like it's beaming hot. There's actually not cricket, football going on here on the pasta. I don't know if you can see because they all look like ants because they're so small. But I'm trying to zoom in so you guys can see. But yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, basically I am just standing waiting on the bus. It's really hot. It's quite a walk out to the bus stop. If you've watched my school vlogs, you would know how long it kind of takes to walk from here to the bus. Well, kind of, but kind of not, because I still didn't vlog the whole time because there was somebody sawing a tree when I last did it. So that's a van. This is what the vans look like in Barbados. Anyway, I'm gonna stay tuned with you and show you when I get probably to the nail tech or on my way. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've made it out of the bus, and right now I'm just walking to the nail tech. So this is before. It's not really like that much like growth, but some of them started lifting, so I'm actually heading there, so stay tuned. Finally made it here, so just stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna message her and let her know that I'm here. Probably have the camera so close to my face because I don't have the flip up screen on. I'm about to message her. Okay, here we go. Search P. Okay. Sent. I don't know what color I should get, people. So these are my available colors. But I like the nice setup. This is me. Ah! I'm an idiot. We all know this. But yes. I'm thinking to get like a yellow, but I don't know yet. A matte yellow maybe. Maybe I should go matte this time. I don't know. but we'll just wait and see. At first I was thinking burgundy, but I'm not sure how my fingers will look with burgundy on them. Like, I don't know. I don't think that's gonna suit me. Well, maybe it will suit my dark complexion. Anyway, I'm gonna sit around, wait on her. And yes, spa. Or maybe I should get like a thumbnail right here. Okay, so I'm just waiting, and I decided on my way up I would pick up a wheat crisp. Are you gonna focus or not? Or not? There we go. So I'm just gonna have myself a wheat crisp. Many people who have seen my school vlog have actually asked me to sing more in my vlogs. So I don't know if it's gonna annoy some people, if it's not going to, but I will just sing some because I don't want to annoy anyone with my voice. Because sometimes when people sing all the time, you know, it annoys people. So I don't really want to do that. Or what I can do is to start posting on my music channel me singing more, whether it's just like covers or what have you. I don't know, you tell me. You could comment down below what you think. Anyway, yeah, I can just like enjoy my wheat crisp without you watching me, like, you know what I mean? You understand me? Feel me? I mean, I don't mind you watching me. You want some? Oh boy. All right. It don't want you to get any. Oh my God. It's nice, huh? I'm trying to get out the bag for the longest ball and it's not coming out. It's just coming out in like crumbles. Oh my God. Not sure she's gonna want to be on camera when she comes to that door. So I'm just gonna turn it this way. Huh? You make me feel like it's fun. Oh, finally. Bite. Stay tuned, man. Before, peeps. Before.
I gotta get myself a camera to take my pictures. I saw another nail tech that's used a nice camera to take her pictures. Good dear.
Okay guys, so I'm actually here at the nail place, and you know I saw a palm tree, so I'm just posing in it because, you know what I'm saying? I know you guys probably so tired of hearing this in every video, but you know, it's just what I love. I got my nails done. Yes! Really excited about them. I really love them. This one here is like a one of those ones that shines different colors in the sun, but you can't really tell it in the video. I'm trying, but you can't really tell. I have ugly fingers, guys, but you know what? Jesus is unjust. He gave me a pretty face, so I can settle for the ugly fingers. You understand? Like, I got some ugly toes too, but little paint, a little polish on them, and they're good to go. You feel me? So I'm just gonna go here now and sell some snow cones. I feel refreshed. I feel excited. I'm all bubbly. I got my nails done. You know how a girl is. When she gets her nails done, she be feeling all fabulous and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I hope you really did enjoy this video. I'm going to meet my mom now. We're going to go down by the school and sell some snow cones. You would have seen previous snow cone vlogs from me, so I don't think I should really vlog that part. I might, just in case, but just in case not, I will do an ending. So thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe, rate, and comment. You can follow me on my social media pages. All of them will be suggested in the description box below. All of my camera gear, as well of what I used to shoot this video and what I used to protect it or whatnot, will be in the description box below as affiliates links. My social media is at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. and that will be Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And then I'm gonna go and exercise because carnival is coming up.
The whole of the kingdom come down. Time to show me your ways. Time to get out of line. You're born and ready for pace. Come on, wine in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All in front of the people. Business place. This is the kingdom. I want you to throw your waist. I want you to throw your waist. Better not pay the fool. They're rushing it down like food. You're waiting a long time. Enough of the standby. Head up to the front line. Get ready for more wine. If you're fed up of frustration, get to the formation. Come on, wine in the roadway. All in front of the gateway. All in front of the people. Business days. This is the kingdom. Wine and feel it up. Wine and wine and feel it up. Wine and feel it up. Wine and wine and feel it up. Wine and feel it up. Wine and wine and feel it up.
Begin. Wait. Just begin when you see me go up. And begin. Ashawnya, glass is serious. It's not serious, fam. Oh my god. Guys. Planks. Kill. So that was 35 seconds of plank. Guys, I hate planks, but it really works. So, stay on this journey with me. Oh my god. I'm really sweating. Oh my god. Look at that big ugly bump then. Anyway. So, stay tuned for more vlogs. Peace.